The purpose of this video is to provide the step-by-step process required to properly prepare VCT, LVT, vinyl, and linoleum floors that have been previously coated with Epic high-performance floor finish. Follow the steps closely to ensure 100% intercoat adhesion to the existing coat of Epic. Refer to the Epic training manual for supplies needed. Sweep or dust mop to remove sand, dirt, and debris. Apply tape at transitions and on surfaces that need to be protected. Apply protective walk-off matting at the doorway. In a clean mop bucket, properly dilute neutral cleaner with water according to the label directions. For unsoiled floors, plain water may be used. Liberally apply the neutral cleaner or water to the floor with a mop. Do not apply the solution to more surface area that can be scrubbed and extracted in a timely manner. Place a red or white pad on top of an 80 or 100 grit screen. A very fine maroon conditioning pad may be used instead of screens if the floor is deeply textured and the screening process could damage the flooring. Scrub the floor slowly with the screen or maroon pad to both clean and micro-abrade the surface. Since most floors are uneven, make sure to run the floor machine in at least 2 different directions to ensure that the entire surface is evenly abraded. Scrub at a rate of no faster than 1,000 square feet per hour. Make sure to stop and flip screens or maroon pads after 100 square feet and discard every 200 total square feet. Abrade wall edges, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas using a doodle bug with screens or maroon pads cut to size. Do not rely on floor machine to prepare the edges and corners unless a square floor machine is used. Make sure to thoroughly abrade floors under hand sanitizer dispensers and any areas that may be frequently wet. Use a squeegee and wet vacuum to extract all water and debris from the floor surface. Mop the floor with clean water and a clean mop head. Inspect the floor to ensure that the entire surface has been adequately abraded and that no dirt remains and scratch marks. The existing Epic should be dull with very little or no shine remaining. If shiny areas remain, repeat previous steps of screening, vacuuming, mopping, and inspecting until existing Epic is properly abraded and dull. Improperly abraded or contaminated floors may cause adhesion problems. Remove and discard tape. Affix shoe covers to avoid contaminating the floor. Use a damp microfiber mop pad as a final cleaning procedure. Thoroughly rinse and agitate the microfiber mop pad in a clean mop bucket frequently, every 50 square feet. Change the water as soon as it becomes cloudy. Use fans to speed the drying process. You are now ready to reapply Epic high-performance floor finish.